Hey, this is Sasha. I just wanted to remind you that we've only got about a week or so to go until the sale ends for our Options Weeklies course. So if you're interested in learning and seeing how to do weekly options, how to trade weeklies, how to do shorter duration trades, go ahead and check it out. There's a little bit of a discount here right now. So 20% off or so. It's actually really $100 to be exact. And you can get that on our website if you go to tradersfly.com. So tradersfly.com. Scroll down and you can see there's the Options Mastery Weeklies, and you can click it and then that'll take you to our courses or paid website. So in here, this is the sales page. You can get some insight. The current course is around 55 videos long in 20 hours. So there's a ton of trade examples here, and the discount lasts until September 25th. So make sure you get it if you're interested in it. There's a ton of trade examples. There's also a lot of training. So here we go into some training, pros and cons of weeklies, introduction to trading weeklies, weeklies for duration, as far as scheduling, big picture, order execution, how to plan it out, weeklies versus monthlies, long duration versus short duration, weeklies as a long investment. And then there's trade examples for all of that. And then trading weeklies verticals. So then there's trade examples there. And then we go into iron condors and trade examples there. So we always give you an insight of, okay, what does the strategy entail? How do you work it? And then some trade examples. And we'll continue to add some more trade examples with time, but these are the ones we have right now. And, it'll continue to open your mind up further. Once you're kind of in the course, you'll kind of see something along like this. And then you'll be able to kind of hop around. So, you'll be able to see, oh, okay. Well, I want to hop around to this one, order execution. Fine. Now, if you want to go step by step, that's what I would recommend. But just to show you some insight, we do go on paper here on a lot of the lessons. And then we also go in on screen about how to execute the orders as well and do them accordingly. And there's a ton of trade examples. So if you want to go in and do like a trade example on, let's say this one's AMD, some of them are winners, some of them are losers, but you get to learn a bunch from both. And really the losers is where you will learn probably the most. But as we go through it, we go and count down kind of like 10 days to go, 9 days to go, 8 days to go, and so on and so forth. Not all of them have the counter right at the top, but let me see if I could find one here for you. And here's Roku, a 10 days till expiration diagonal. And on this one, you can see right here, we got a big 10. So 10 days to go. This is what it looks like. And then once we get to 9 days, I film a minute or two, or a couple minutes here, show you what's going on, what I'm thinking, and so on. Again, not everything works out perfect. There's a lot of lessons to learn also from the losers, but there's a ton of trade examples in there. So anyways, I hope you check this course out. Link's going to be in the description, or you just go to the tradersfly.com website. Once you're there, you'll be able to scroll down, grab the course. There's also a ton of other courses and classes that I have available. Really, the majority of the things that I do is actually working one-on-one with people. But if you want a taste of kind of, the teachings and so on, this is a pretty in-depth course because a lot of the material that I have is usually more in-depth than many other people have. So anyways, hope that helps. Don't forget, September 25th is kind of the deadline. Check it out, and hope to see you kind of in the course. Link's going to be in the description, or visit tradersfly.com. Thanks. I'll see you next time.